What if I told you that the biggest threat to your retirement, it isn't inflation, it isn't taxes, or even the market, all right? But when you're forced to sell your investments. Stay with me now, okay? Because this is one mistake is quietly draining retirements for a lot of people every single year. They don't even understand. So, ladies and gents, here just to drop a few cents, you're here to retire with Earl. With a decade license in the financial industry, I want to break down a lot of things for you guys to understand. And after, I tell you guys, working with retirees and pre retirees for over the last decade, I've noticed that this is one thing that surprises a lot of people. Okay. And what it is most retirees, they don't struggle because they didn't save enough. That's not the problem, right? They're struggling because they're forced to sell at a time that they're not expecting to really sell at the wrong time. Not because they're being reckless with everything. It's not because they're uneducated, but because they didn't really have like a retirement paycheck plan or anything that they can use. So let me explain exactly what I mean and break it down for you folks. Okay, because this is key. You have your market downturns, okay, and they're not just about financial events; they're emotional events. This is what happens to a lot of people. So when the market drops, fear goes up. You see it right now. And when fear goes up, logic tends to walk right out the door. In fact, they got multiple studies that show investors who panic sell, right? They're selling during downturns, underperform long-term investors about 3 to 5% per year. And that's simply because of poor timing. You get flustered, they move everything. Right? So now think about that for a second. Think about that for a second. Over a 20, 30-year retirement rate, a 3 to 5% gap, that is not small. It can mean the difference between confidence. It can mean the difference between having constant stress. It could be the difference between freedom or running out of money. That 3 to 5% is a lot. So the real question becomes when you start thinking about it, how do you take income in retirement without sabotaging your future? And that, folks, that's where the 3 bucket retirement paycheck plan, it comes in handy. And that's what I'm breaking down today, the 3 bucket retirement plan. The 3 bucket retirement paycheck plan, in a long story, is super simple. It's one of the simplest and most effective frameworks that you could have for turning savings into income while helping people that are retired actually be able to sleep at night. So to break it down, let's just do it super simple. All right. You have the first bucket, bucket number one. That's your bill money. Okay. Bucket number one is your bill money. It's the one that you need all the time. This is a short term money. It's cash. Anything that is highly liquid. Its only job is to pay for life. That's what it is. We're talking groceries, utilities, insurances, mortgages or rent, right? Monthly expenses. That's that bucket. That bucket is not about growth. It's not about growing income, anything like that. It's about certainty. You know what's in that bucket. Now, why does that matter? The main reason why it matters because during market downturns, retirees who have like a cash available, they're faring a lot less and they're less likely to panic sell and they're less likely to touch those long-term investments and get themselves an actual loss. They did a study retirees with 12 to 24 months of planned spending cash. They experience lower anxiety, and overall, they're making better decisions during volatile markets because they got the cash to go through all that. So let me ask you this. Let me ask you this. If the market dropped 20% tomorrow, how many months of bills could you still pay without having to touch your investments? If it happened tomorrow, I tell people if the answer makes you uncomfortable, unfortunately, you're not alone. A lot of people fall into that. That's bucket number one. Now, bucket number two, that's your stable money. Now, bucket number two, you want to make sure that you have something in the stable money because this bucket is designed to support the next few years of income. That's what it is, to support your needs. Once your cash bucket starts running low, you have your second bucket. it's usually invested more conservatively, right? The focus here is a stability in that bucket, income, preservation, not having aggressive growth. You want something that's kind of guaranteed. Think of that bucket as the bridge, right? It's going to be your bridge. And what does a bridge do? It's a bridge between the safety and a bridge between the growth account. It gives you time right there in the middle. It gives you that flexibility. And most importantly, it gives you what? It gives you options. Because ultimately, when the markets are down, you're not forced to sell, right? You don't have to sell your growth assets. You just have to refill your checking account if anything happens, just dump some money and you're good to go. Ask yourself this question now. When your cash runs low, how do you know exactly where the income comes in for the next, you know, 2 to 3 weeks, or are you guessing? A retirement plan, it should never rely on guesswork, folks. You should never be guessing with your retirement plan. Now, here comes bucket number 3. That's your growth account, your money account. That's where you want to have all your kind of growth and investments. And that's pretty much going to be your long-term bucket. When you have bucket number 3, it's your long-term bucket. Money you don't need today, you don't need to worry about it. Money you don't need next year, possibly money you don't need for the next 2 to 3 years. It's designed for retirement or later years down the road. Okay. And because, bucket 1 and bucket 2, they handle your short and medium range turn. This bucket, it gets the most valuable assets in your investing, that third bucket. And that is time, your most valuable asset. Historically, markets, they've recovered. We always know it. It always recovers after every downturn. The S&P, for example, we're talking a 10% average annual return if you're looking over a long period of time, but only for investors who stay invested. So you're getting all that, right? And that, folks, is the key. The 3 bucket strategy, it isn't just about math. No, that's not the case. It's about what? It's about behavior. Okay, during downturns, you're going to spend from bucket 1. You're going to have a backup from bucket 2. So bucket 3 can recover instead of what? Being liquidated at the worst time. A lot of people, they liquidate at the worst possible moment when they're struggling. And that's how retirees protect both their income and their future by having these 3 buckets in place, folks. Super important. So I always say you got to have a bigger picture perspective, right? When you step back, right, the advantage of having a 3 bucket approach, it becomes crystal clear. It turns a pile of accounts into a paycheck system. You need to get paid all the time, right? It replaces your panic with structure, all right? Fair with clarity. You're not worrying about that. And reaction with intention. That's huge. So here's the question I want you to sit with after you watch this video. Do you have a retirement paycheck strategy? Or do you just have a collection of accounts that you don't even know how you're going to use them? Because those 2 things, they're not going to be the same, folks. That's a whole different lifestyle. So I tell people you need to know exactly what you're doing. So if you want help managing, or setting up a 3 bucket retirement paycheck plan, you want to add all that into your timeline, here's what you need to do next. This is what you need to do next, okay? Number 1, you got to like this video, come back to it so you understand it. It's going to help more people find this information. The second thing, you want to comment info below, and I could show you how you could use this strategy based off your specific needs. All right. And ultimately, guys, make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe so you don't miss future videos on retirement income. I'm going to start talking a lot more on how to build yourself a retirement paycheck with confidence. So make sure you check all the links in the description below where you can get yourself a free budget and schedule yourself a consultation. And with that being said, ladies and gents, just here to drop a few cents. You're here to retire with Earl, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.